Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss couple of typical simultaneous linear equation which you need separate method to solve. Suppose the first equation that we will solve, that is 202x plus 303y equals to 707, and the second equation is 303x plus 202y equals to 808. Now just check for this type of sum. If you want to apply cross multiplication or elimination method with the very first step, it will be huge calculation. What the specialty about this sum? Just check the coefficient of x and y got interchanged into equation. Is it fine? So whenever you will get this type of sum, first what you will do, you will just add this to equation. If I'll add this to equation, just check, I will get 505x plus 505y equals to 1515. I will take 505 common, so x plus y equals to 1515. 505 if I cancel out both sides. So my first equation will be x plus y equals to 3. Again you will write this to equation and you will subtract them. So if you will subtract this to equation, just check. After subtracting, you will get minus 101x plus 101y is equals to minus 101, right? So if you will take minus 101 common, it will be inside the bracket x minus y equals to this. So if you will simplify, you will get this. So another equation you will get x minus y equals to 1. It's very easy now to solve this, isn't it? So instead of solving over there, I will transform the equation in this format. Now if I will add these two, I will get 2x equals to 4 and x equals to 2. You will put x equals to 2 in one equation, you will get y equals to 1. Don't forget to check the answer by simplifying. Okay. Next one. Suppose the equation is in this format, 14 divided by x plus y plus 6 divided by x minus y is equals to 4. And another equation is 21 divided by x plus y plus 9 divided by x minus y is equals to 6. So when you have this type of equation, first what you will do, first you will assume 1 divided by x plus y as a and 1 divided by x minus y as b. So what will be my first equation? If I will assume this, it will become 14a plus 6b equals to 4, and the second one will be 21a plus 9b equals to 6, right? So now if I apply cross multiplication method, as I said, in cross multiplication we are going to equate the coefficient. If I want to equate the coefficient of x, or rather a, instead of equating the coefficient of a, just check if I will do it for b, it will be far easier for us. So what I will multiply there? I will multiply the first one by 3 and second one by 2. So it will become 80 both the cases, right? So can we write 28, sorry, it's my mistake. I will multiply the first equation by 3. So it will be 42a plus 18b equals to 12. And second equation, 42a plus 18b equals to 12. Can we solve this two equation? Just check. This is the same equation is coming, right? So if you just remember the theory part, what was the theory part? Just check. I am just going to give you one example. This was that example. Just equate the coefficient of x. This is 14 divided by 21, which is 2 divided by 3. Equate the coefficient of this one, 6 divided by 9. That is also 2 divided by 3. Equation the coefficient of this part. So that is also 2 divided by 3. So these two lines will coincide, right? Understood all of you? These are the cases we will get many times. So that doesn't mean all the linear equation has a solution. So suppose if I am going to change the equation which we can solve, if this is equals to 4 and 21 divided by x plus y plus 12 divided by x minus y equals to 7. So first equation will be 14a plus 6b equals to 4, and second equation will be 21a plus 12b equals to 7. So just check here also, if I only just multiply the first equation by 2, the equation will become 28a plus 12b equals to 8. So if I will subtract, I will get minus 7a equals to minus 1, hence a will be 1 divided by 7, right? If I will put a equals to 1 divided by 7 here, so 14 into 1 divided by 7 plus 6b equals to 4. So 6b equals to 4 minus 2, which is equals to 2. So b will be equals to 1 divided by 3. What was for b? B was equals to 1 divided by x minus y. It's equals to 1 divided by 3. So x minus y equals to 3. Similarly from a was 1 divided by x plus y, which is equals to 1 divided by 7. So x plus y is equals to 7. So now if I'll add this to equation, or rather if I try to simplify this to equation, I'll get x equals to 5 and y equals to 2. Please check the values in the equation. One more sum if I solve, this is very important. Now if I will write this, x plus y equals to 5xy and x minus y equals to 3xy, and another one, 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 5 and 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 3. Very careful. So if you get this two equation, you will say, sir, this two equation is same, because if I divide this equation by xy, I will get this equation. Yes, absolutely correct. But unnecessarily you cannot divide by xy. Before dividing by xy, you should know that your xy is not equals to 0. If your xy is not equals to 0, only then you can divide, because we cannot divide any term by 0. So what we can do for this to sum, just check for this sum, I will add this 2, so I will get 2x equals to 8xy. Don't cancel this 2x. If you cancel this 2x, you will miss out one solution. I can cancel out the constant part. So I will take x one side. So one solution will be x equals to 0 and y equals to 1 by 4. If you put y equals to 1 by 4 in any of this equation, and for x equals to 0, if you put in any of this equation, you will get y 0. And if you put y equals to 1 by 4 in this equation, then x plus 1 divided by 4 equals to 5x by 4. So if you take x minus 5x by 4 this side, minus 1 by 4. So if you solve it, you will get minus x divided by 4 equals to minus 1 divided by 4. Hence your x will be equals to 1. So x is 1 and y is 1 divided by 4. If I will add this 2, just check, this will be cancelled out. So 2 divided by y is equals to 8. Hence your y will be equals to 1 divided by 4. And if you solve also, you will get x equals to whatever you got there, that is 1. No problem. The thing is, what's the difference between these two equations? The difference is, in this equation we will get two solutions, one x equals to 0, y equals to 0, which will satisfy the equation, and another is x equals to 1, y equals to 1 by 4. But in this equation I will get only one value, x equals to 1 and y equals to 1 by 4, because as x and y is in the denominator, the value of x and y cannot be equals to 0. So unnecessarily you cannot divide anything before dividing anything or cancelling anything. Please check that part is given 0 or not. Hey, if you would have cancelled this x over here, same mistake you would have made, right? Please be very careful before solving any equation. It's linear equation or quadratic equation. Don't cancel anything unless you are provided that is not equals to 0. Is it fine? If you find any more problem like this, please write in the comment box. I will solve it for you. Thank you.